So how do we turn the American job into the new American degree? We built Reach University to do precisely this. With the Reach method, your job does lead to a degree and not the other way around. And that's because we are the first university to offer accredited, job-embedded, apprenticeship-based degrees where half the learning arises from the work people are already doing on the job, and the other half comes from online seminars on Zoom. And this makes it possible for adults to get the skills and the credentials that they need by going to work instead of going into debt. So what does this take? It takes a willing employer. It takes an employer that wants to reimagine the workplace as a learning place.